Fat burn exercises before bedtime. Have you ever gone to bed feeling guilty because you didn't get any exercise in that day? Did you know that over 60% of adults in the USA struggle with unhealthy nighttime snacking and lack of exercise, contributing to weight gain? Are you aware that inactivity is a factor in more than 150,000 deaths in the USA each year? Studies show that incorporating even 10 minutes of exercise before bed can boost your metabolism and improve your overall health. But don't worry, we have the solution. Today, we're tackling a topic that could transform your nighttime routine: fat-burning exercises you can do before bedtime. If you're looking to boost your metabolism and lose weight while you sleep, stick around. I've got the perfect exercises just for you. Let's get started. Jackknives. Lie on your back with your arms extended overhead and your legs straight. Simultaneously lift your arms and legs to meet above your torso, engaging your core. Lower back down and repeat. Jackknives target your abdominal muscles, promoting core strength and stability. This exercise helps burn calories and tones the midsection, making it an effective fat-burning move before bedtime. Air cycling, with your legs lifted and bent at 90 degrees. Place your hands behind your head and perform a cycling motion with your legs as if you are pedaling a bike. Air cycling engages your lower abdominal muscles and hip flexors. This continuous movement elevates your heart rate, promoting calorie burning and improving core strength and endurance. Single leg extension. Lie on your back with your legs bent and feet flat on the floor. Extend one leg out straight while keeping the other knee bent. Hold for a few seconds, then switch legs. Single leg extensions target the lower abdominal muscles and hip flexors. This exercise helps tone the lower body, improve flexibility, and promote calorie burn. Dead bug. Lie on your back with your arms extended toward the ceiling and your legs lifted and bent at 90 degrees. Lower your right arm and left leg toward the floor while keeping your back flat. Return to the starting position and switch sides. The dead bug exercise engages the entire core, improving stability and strength. This controlled movement helps burn calories and enhances muscle coordination, making it a great pre-bedtime workout. Superman Lat Pulldown. Face down on the floor with your arms extended in front of you. Lift your chest and legs off the floor simultaneously. Then pull your elbows back toward your waist as if performing a lat pull down. Extend your arms back out and repeat. This exercise targets the lower back, glutes, and shoulders. The Superman Lat Pulldown helps strengthen the posterior chain, improve posture, and promote fat burning through full body engagement. Hover leg claps. Lie on your back with your legs lifted and straight. Hover your legs a few inches off the floor and clap your hands under your legs, alternating between each leg. Hover leg claps engage the lower abs and hip flexors. This dynamic movement increases heart rate, promotes calorie burning, and enhances core strength and coordination. Reverse leg extension. Lie face down on a mat with your legs extended. Lift your legs off the floor, squeezing your glutes and lower back muscles. Lower your legs back down and repeat. reverse leg extensions target the glutes and lower back. This exercise helps tone the posterior muscles, improve lower body strength, and burn calories effectively. Air bike. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your legs lifted. Perform a cycling motion with your legs while simultaneously bringing your opposite elbow toward the knee that is coming up. Air bike exercises engage the entire core, including the obliques. This movement promotes calorie burning, improves core strength, and enhances coordination, making it an effective fat-burning exercise. Single leg rotation. Lie on your back with your legs lifted and bent at 90 degrees. Rotate your hips to lower your legs to one side, then return to the center and lower them to the other side. Single leg rotations target the obliques and lower abs. This exercise improves core stability, flexibility, and promotes fat burning through controlled rotational movements. Single leg raises. Lie on your back with one leg bent and the other leg extended. Lift the extended leg toward the ceiling, then lower it back down without touching the floor. Switch legs and repeat. Single leg raises engage the lower abs and hip flexors. This exercise helps tone the lower body, improve flexibility, and burn calories effectively. V-holds. Sit on the floor with your legs extended and your arms reaching toward your feet. Lift your legs and torso to form a V shape, balancing on your sit bones. Hold this position for as long as possible. V-holds engage the entire core, improving strength and stability. This static hold promotes muscle endurance and calorie burning, making it an excellent exercise to end your pre-bedtime routine. Consistency is key. Incorporate these exercises into your nighttime routine, and you'll start to see and feel the difference. Remember, it's not just about burning fat. It's about improving your overall health and well-being.